Hello guys. Welcome to my channel Vivek Pandey. Today's topic is automorphic number. Today we are going to learn today's topic. What is today's topic? It is automorphic. Automorphic morphic number. So now let's understand with one example what is the meaning of this automorphic. So what I'm saying is first one is 5. Again 5. 5 is automorphic. 6 is automorphic. 25 is automorphic. 76 676, yeah. So these are the automorphic numbers. Now why these are automorphic number, let's understand few things here. Whenever I'm squaring, I'm making square of it. A square of 5. So square of 5 is how much? 25. So in this 25, this first digit, the digit is unit digit. Digit is what? Same number. So same number means what? It is 5. Yes. So this is called what? Automorphic number. 5 is automorphic number. Understood? In the same way for the 6. In the 6, if I'm doing the square of 6, what is the square of 6? 36. 36. Now when it is 36, the unit digit, what is the unit digit? Same as above. So what is the digit? It is 6, right? 6. So this is also known as what? Automorphic number. Now similarly, if I'm writing here 4, so what is the square of 4? 4 square is 16. Yes, square of 4 is 16. In this, the unit digit is what? Unit digit is what? 6. So 6. So what I can say? 6 not equal to 4, not equal to 6. So this we can say that it is not automorphic number. Understood? So now I guess you understood what is automorphic and what is not automorphic. Automorphic. Okay. Automorphic. This is what, and you can try out with 25. 25 is also what? 625. 625 and 76. What is, how about 76? Just calci. Open the calculator and 76. 76 square. 76 square is what? 5776. It is also what? 76. We are getting what? 5776. 5776. So 76 is there. Yes. So overall we have understood what is the concept we have understood. Now how to implement this in a logic, like how to write a code. Yes, for coding, what we are doing for the code, how to write the code for this. So code is also very simple. I'll explain you how to write the code. Let's understand. Yes. Now for example, how to write the code, let's see. Yes. So what we need to do, if a given number, n is the given number, n is the number is what? Just n. We have n. Now what we need to do is we need to do square. Already we know how to do the square. Yes, by exponent operator, or you can do n into n also. N double star 2. Yes, square is also done. Now once it is done with the square, now what we need to do, we need to take individual digits, right? Individual digits we need to compare. How to take individual digits? So individual digits, like a square, whatever the square is there, percentile 10. Simple. So this is for first digit. Yes, for example, if n is equal to 60 or 25, so when I'm doing 25 percentile 10, 25 percentile 10, then what I will get? I will get only 5. Yes, but it is in the first iteration. So this is in first iteration. In first iteration I got only 5. Now after this, what it has to be done is, with the same square, I have to increase, what I have to increase, the denominator part, the 10 value. The 10, now it will become 100. So square percentile 100. Okay. So now in this case, what happens in this case, like square of n is what, 625. Yes. So when it is 625, definitely 6, here it is 625, and here also it is 625 percentile. Now this time it becomes what, 100. So this time what I got 25. Yes, in the second iteration I got it. Second iteration. Yes. So now what is the catch here is, we are keep on increasing this denominator till until and unless we are getting this. So this one is matching. If this one is matching with this number, yes, then we can say that it is a automorphic number. Simple. So what we are making use here is that a square we are taking, and then a reminder with 110, again with 100, again with 1,000, like number of iterations, it depends. Yes. So now let's see how we are going to implement this logic in the Python code. So you understood the concept, you understood the little bit logic. Now let's jump into the code. Now here it is, the PyCharm, and I'm creating a new file, Python file, and the name here is automorphic automorphic number. Yes, done. Now let's see how to write the code. First one is, I'm just taking a number from a user. N is equal to int of input of input of, here enter a number. Done. User will enter a number. Now once the number is entered, so for we are going to do many manipulations with that number. So what I'm doing is, I'm just storing the number in some other variable. So x, in this x, what I'm doing, I'm storing n. That's it. Now what we have to do, we have to do square of the number, square sq. In sq, what I need to do here, n double star, means exponent operator 2. So now I've found the square of the number. Yes, done. Now initially we are taking what, t, temporary, like t is what, denominator. So for the denominator, why I'm taking t, reminder, for the reminder purpose we need t. So we can give any name also. Yes. So we are using what, denominator, d is equal to 10. Yes. And then I'm using here one more variable. We can say anything, any variable it can be. So whenever the condition is true, in that case we are going to increase it. Yes, true condition, we are going to increase it. Yes. So generally we do take flag. So flag is equal to 0. Yes, flag is equal to 0. Now I need to repeat it, all these things, right? So I need to run it in the loop. Okay. So let's iterate it. While till when n is greater than 0. Okay, if n is also becomes 0, then it will come out of the loop. So this is the condition, n is greater than 0. If this condition is true, yes, then only the inside that code, whatever we are writing, it is going to run. Now we got it. Now what we need to do, we need to separate the digit, right? Reminder. So what we need to do, last, like first unit digit we need to separate. How we can separate? So for that purpose I'm taking r, reminder, r is equal to sq, whatever the square we have, percentile, and by what I need to do, so that I can get that reminder part, by 10 only, right? So 10 is indicated by d. Okay, this is done. Now here I'm writing just condition. If my r, whatever the r is there, r equal to x, if the last digit and the x both are same, if this condition is same, then what I'm doing is I'm increasing the flag count. Flag is equal to 1. Yes, it means what? This is what the condition we are looking for. If this condition is true, then break. Okay, fine. Now once we got this break, now what we need to do? We need to update the while loop, right? It should not go into iteration and iterations. So what we need to do? We need to reduce the numbers also. So for the reducing the number, what we are doing? N floor division by 10. Okay. Yes. So once it is done, now just imagine if it is 2 digits or if it is 3 digits, then it will be difficult, right? So for that purpose, we need to update the t value also. So for if it is 3 digits, total square is 625, 3 digits it is. So what I need the 2 digits. So 2 digits when I will get when the remainder will be like 100. If it is 10 means with this 10 here it is d is what 10, with the 10 what I will get only 1 digit. If it is 2 digit means, so for that reason what I need to do is I need to update what t value. T is equal to t into 10. So for every first iteration, second iteration, it will keep on doing this. So once this is done, now what we are going to do is perfect. Yes. So now you can also see the x, the numbers and the square of it also. Number and the square. Let me show you that also. Print, here it is what? Number, and what is the number? X, and then square of the number. Okay, in quotations. Yes. Now here, what I can write here, what I can type here is SQ, square, right? Yeah. Now let's execute this. Yeah. So if I'm writing here 6, what happened? 6 is the number and square of the number is 36. So 6, the last digit is same. Now same way, in the same way, what happened? Here 25. It is also automorphic number. Automorphic number. Okay. Now now 376. Let's see for the 3 digits. 376. 76. It is also automorphic because we are updating the denominator value, right? So by this we have learned what is automorphic number. So guys, I hope if you liked it, if you understood, then only you do share, subscribe. So that's it for the day. Thank you guys.